Well, hello, my friends. Welcome to the new world, a new way of doing things. I suspect that many of you, what is today? March 23rd. I suspect many of you are working from home and enjoying your families and your kids running rampant left and right while you're trying to get work done. Anyway, I hope everything's going well for you guys out there. Linking in to your server back at the office is the way to do this working from home thing. And watching these great Revit tips is another way to pass the time. All right, so we're going to get right to it. Today's Revit tip is about view templates. I know some of you use view templates all the time, but I link into many people and I see that they're not. A view template, my friends, will automate your views of similar types. And if you're not using view templates, you need to watch this. Okay, if you've got a floor plan, you want all your floor plans to look the same. If you've got a furniture plan, you want all the furniture plans to look the same or similar, to have the similar things turned on or off or settings set for those. Okay. If you have life safety plans, you want them all to look the same. So it's grouping it's automating the settings of the different groups of types, a type of drawing. Okay, so I'm going to get right to it. Let us get right in. I'm going to put my face over here, and then I'm going to open Revit. There we go. Revit is up. And oh my goodness, there's me again. Oh, there, back small. That's where we want it. Okay, let me get to it. Let's just say you've got a floor plan. Now, I use view templates all the time, okay? So I'm going to turn mine off and show you how to start from scratch. Suppose you didn't even have one. In your properties of a view, you'll look down, and under identity data, there's a view template. On mine, it's plan-typical. Well, I am going to set it to none, so that I'm back to like many of you have it set. So if you look over here, look right down there, you will see view template set to none in your properties, typically. Okay, in many firms. Okay, so here we go. Here's what we're talking about. We want all the floor plans to look similar. So if I had dimensions in my plan, and those are some wretched dimensions. Oh man, these crazy numbers. Okay, I'm not hitting brick dimensions very well there. Sorry. Whatever. Okay, there we go. We got some more dimensions right there. And because that is hitting 256, I can't take it anymore. Listen, people, I'm going to make this 20'8". Just for my own sanity, and I'm going to have to make this one 10 feet for my own sanity. I can't. Oh, does that really help you guys like it helps me? Okay, this is, oh wow, that's supposed to be like 10 feet. Oh, hey, look at that. It's a real number. And then what is 6? Okay, this wall needs to be a 6'4". Come on, people. I know we're talking about view templates, but let's hit some real brick dimensions while we're working. Okay, so here we go. Let's just say we want to tag all the doors. I'm gonna hit TG on the keyboard and tag the doors. Ding, ding, ding. Done. And I'm gonna tag the windows, but I don't feel like clicking on every single one. I'm gonna go to annotate and hit tag all and scroll down to windows and say, dude, you do it, not me, okay? Tag all the windows, please, if you would. Oh, man. You know what? It's hard to find good help. Okay, I'm going to tag them. I'm going to do a Revit tip on how to do that right, because that did not do what I wanted it to do. So we've got tags, door tags, window tags. We've got things going on here. This is the way we want a floor plan to look. And once you get the plan with the right things on or the right things off and the right line weights and the way you want it, oh yes, this is the way I want it, you make a view template and then you apply that view template to other views of similar types. So here we go. So on this one, I would go here. Here's how you make a view template. After you get the view exactly how you want it, you go to View, duh, and then over on the left, the farthest thing over on the left is View Templates. And in there, there's a button called Creates, the second thing down. Create a template from the current view. So when you click that, it wants to know a name. And I'm going to call this All Floor Plans. Sounds good? Okay. So now I have a view template. It shows me the other templates that work for floor plans. But it shows me the settings. So I could come here and adjust those settings. Okay, if I wanted to. So I'm just going to say, okay, thank you. Okay, so I would want to go apply this view template to my other plans. Like here's my second floor plan. I would want to tell that plan to use all floor plans and say, okay. And the first floor plan, just because you used this plan actually to make the template, didn't automatically set it. So after you make the view template, look over there, you'll notice view template is still set to none. You need to set it to all floor plans. Okay, so that being said, now if you wanted to say, you know what, on my floor plans, I want the walls to, I don't know, I want the line weights to really be beefed up in this plan, or I don't want furniture on in this view, in my floor plans. That's a perfect example. So here, if you hit VG on the keyboard, you'll notice, everything's grayed out. When you notice that everything's grayed out, you know that it is being controlled by a view template. So you have to go to the view template to make these adjustments, and not per view like you've been wasting your time all along. Did I say that out loud? Yes. Okay. So we're going to go to the view template. I'm going to go to I clicked on all floor plans, and I go to model objects, and all I do is uncheck furniture and say okay. And take a look. It turns furniture off in this view template, but it also turns it off in all plans similarly. So that are assigned to this view template. I'll go to the second floor. Look. Furniture's off here too. See how it works? Now let's make another one. I'm going to go to the floor plan. I'm going to right click and duplicate my view, even with detailing. Okay, it's an identical copy. I'm going to rename it to be, wait for it, this is going to be my furniture plan. Furniture. Okay, so this is my furniture plan, but this doesn't look like a furniture plan to me. So we're going to, watch this, we're going to make a view template that has the things that we want on or off. Now, so what I'm going to do, look at this. I'm going to go to VG, and I'm still set to all floor plans because when I duplicated it. So I'm going to go over here to all floor plans and say, look, go back to none, dude. Okay? So now I can set what I want. I'm going to go to VG. I am going to go to annotation, and I'm going to uncheck dimensions because I don't want those on. And I don't want my elevation tags on, and I don't want section tags on, and I don't want, what else? Window tags. There we go. Let's just see if that's good enough. I'll just check. Bing. Oh, door tags too. Go to VG, annotation objects, door tags. So you get this looking where you want. You go, you know what? I want the furniture back on. I forgot. If this is a furniture plan, I'm going to need that. Okay? So I'm going to go to VG. Turn the furniture on, but here's some fun stuff. Look, I want people to be able, in the furniture plan, to see the furniture. So I'm going to go to my pattern, and I'm going to set the pattern to solid and purple. There we go. So look at that. In a furniture plan, the furniture pops out. It's like, there it is, okay? Johnny, the knife. Okay, so here we go. One other thing. Maybe in this plan, I want the walls to be filled in a little bit so it's easier for the client to see. So I'm just going to go. Wait for it. Going to go. What am I doing? I'm going to go to VG. I'm going to say, on my walls, I would like the wall pattern to be solid, and maybe I want them to be a light blue. Wouldn't it be nice? Like a light blue, kind of like that right there. There, now look at that. That is a nice furniture plan. And now I'm going to go to View, View Templates. Look at this. Create a template for the current view. And this is going to be all furniture plans. Plans. There we go. This is for all my furniture plans. Got it. Be sure to set the view to all furniture plans. Okay, got it. And now, wait for it. If I were to go to my second floor and I duplicate this, watch this, duplicate the view. Okay, I'm just going to duplicate it, rename it, give this new view that I just made a new use, which is second floor furniture plan. Okay, and I'm almost done. Watch how fast. Wait for it, peoples. Switch it, the view template, to the furniture plans. Bam! Look at that. Too fast, too easy. All right, you guys. I think that drills in a little bit. Now, if I make changes to the view template, it fixes on all of the views that are linked to that view template. So that if you have a 10-story building, you have to make an adjustment on the view template and it'll fix all those, provided each one is using the view template. It will speed up your life. It will speed up your work. It will help you, you guys. For all of you that are not using view templates, I want you to consider it. The only time you would not want to use a view template is if you only have one view of that type. Let's say a roof plan. You're only going to have one roof plan, possibly. If you have several roof plans, then make a view template. But if you only have one view of that type, then only have one. Don't even use a view template. See what I'm saying? These are good for plan views. These are good for sections. All of your stair sections or elevator sections or wall sections or even building sections can all have a similar look and set by you using view templates. You can even use view templates in 3D views. All right, so enough said. Use view templates out there. You guys have an enjoyable day. I know we're all cooped up with this social isolation, but we're working together. We're going to get through this. Hang in there. And I think my wife said something really cool the other day. She said, and it's actually posted on her fridge. She read it. It says, everything's going to be okay in the end. So if it's not okay, it's not the end yet. Talk to you later. Happy Reviting. All right. Bye-bye.